there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have definitely done my fair share of face masks, but as soon as I discovered sheet facial masks, I have never turned back. Probably my top favorite one is this TATCHA Luminous Deep Hydration Lifting Mask. What I really love about this mask is it really gives me that extra boost and injection of hydration after I've gone through maybe a period of stress or exposure to the elements and my skin really needs that extra TLC. I feel so relaxed with this mask on my face and I can immediately feel the soothing benefits. It maintains perfect total contact with the skin on my face and it does not tend to slip or come off. This allows my skin to just soak up all the nutrients and goodness. I also really like to use this mask after I've done any kind of exfoliating treatment on my face or right after I dermaplane. It's really effective at counteracting any irritation that might have been caused through the exfoliating process. If you need to give your skin a little reset or you're just looking to pamper yourself a little bit, I could not recommend this sheet mask more. But that's just my point of view.